The FPV drone industry has always moved fast, but every now and then a product appears that feels like a genuine turning point instead of just another yearly refresh. That is the kind of attention DJI is generating with the launch of the DJI Avata 360. DJI is not marketing this drone as a small upgrade or a simple successor. Instead, the company is positioning it as the future of FPV flying and immersive aerial filmmaking. After looking at the hardware, camera system, flight technology, and editing workflow, it becomes clear that DJI is trying to combine multiple creative tools into one compact flying platform. For a long time, FPV creators who wanted cinematic 360-degree footage had to build complicated custom setups. Pilots would attach external 360 cameras to cinewhoops or freestyle drones, carefully balance the extra weight, tune the motors, and hope the added payload would not ruin the flight characteristics. Even when the setup worked perfectly, there were still major compromises. Flight times dropped, crashes became more expensive, and the fragile lenses on 360 cameras constantly created stress during aggressive flights. DJI seems to have studied exactly how the FPV community has been working over the past few years, because the Avata 360 feels like a direct response to all of those problems. At first glance, the drone keeps the recognizable Avata design language with integrated propeller guards and a compact cinematic frame. That familiar layout already makes it appealing for close-range flying, indoor environments, and tight cinematic shots where safety matters. The built-in prop guards help reduce the risk of damage during small collisions and make the drone less intimidating for less experienced pilots. However, the real hardware innovation comes from the camera protection system. Traditional 360 cameras are known for having exposed curved lenses that can easily scratch or crack in a crash. DJI tackled this issue by introducing replaceable front lens elements. Instead of sending the entire drone to a repair center after damaging a lens, users can simply replace the glass themselves using DJI's repair kit. That feature alone could become one of the biggest selling points for serious FPV creators. Crashes are simply part of FPV flying, especially when pilots are pushing tight gaps, chasing vehicles, or flying close to obstacles. Having a drone that can be repaired quickly in the field dramatically changes the ownership experience. It means creators can spend less time waiting for repairs and more time actually filming. DJI clearly understands that reliability and fast recovery are just as important as camera quality when it comes to professional drone work. The DJI Avata 360 also comes equipped with 42 GB of internal storage, which may not sound huge at first, but it provides enough capacity to store around 30 minutes of 8K 360-degree footage. That onboard memory acts as a useful backup whenever users forget their micro SD cards or suddenly need extra recording space during a shoot. DJI also integrated Wi-Fi 6 technology for high-speed wireless transfers. Massive 360 video files can be frustrating to manage because of their size, especially when creators need to quickly review or edit clips while traveling. Faster transfer speeds can make a major difference in real-world workflows, particularly for creators who regularly upload social media content on tight deadlines. The biggest headline feature, of course, is the camera system. DJI equipped the Avata 360 with advanced 1-inch equivalent sensors capable of recording 8K HDR 360-degree footage at 60 frames per second. The drone can also capture detailed 120-megapixel photos, making it useful not only for video creators but also for photographers experimenting with immersive imagery. While some people may think 8K resolution sounds excessive, it actually makes perfect sense in the world of 360 capture. A 360 camera records the entire environment at once, spreading the resolution across a spherical image. Once creators crop, reframe, and zoom into that footage during editing, the final exported video becomes much lower in effective resolution. Starting with an 8K master file ensures the reframed footage still looks sharp and professional after editing. DJI also improved image quality by using larger 2.4 micron pixels, which should help significantly with low light performance and dynamic range. Smaller action camera sensors often struggle in darker conditions, producing noisy footage and limited shadow detail. Larger pixels allow the camera to gather more light, creating cleaner nighttime footage and more cinematic color depth. For creators shooting sunsets, city lights, concerts, or indoor FPV sequences, that improvement could make a huge difference. One of the smartest aspects of the DJI Avata 360 is that DJI did not limit the drone to 360 capture alone. The drone includes both full 360-degree mode and a traditional single-lens shooting mode. In single-lens mode, the Avata 360 behaves much more like a conventional cinematic FPV drone, capturing stabilized forward-facing 4K footage at 60 fps. This flexibility matters because editing 360 footage can be demanding. Large files require more storage, faster computers, and additional rendering time. Sometimes creators simply want quick traditional FPV footage without going through an extensive reframing process later. By offering both options in one drone, DJI essentially combines two different filmmaking tools into a single platform. In many ways, the drone represents a shift in how aerial footage will be captured in the future. Instead of worrying about camera direction during flight, creators can focus entirely on movement, speed, and composition while deciding the final framing later in editing. That change may completely transform the way many filmmakers approach aerial production. The DJI Avata 360 is not just another drone release. It is a glimpse into the next generation of FPV and immersive content creation.